Samsung is gearing up to unveil its upcoming flagship smartphone series, the Galaxy S24, early in 2024. As the launch date draws near, speculations and unofficial information about the new devices have already begun to circulate. Although Samsung has yet to provide official confirmation, it's safe to anticipate that the Galaxy S24 series will represent a substantial improvement over the current Galaxy S23 lineup. Here are 3 things we want to see in the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. Number 1. Faster charging speeds plus longer battery life. Samsung users have expressed a desire for faster charging speeds, aiming for at least 65 watt across the Galaxy S24 lineup to match competitors. Longer battery life is also sought after, achieved through increased capacity or software optimization with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, expected to power the Galaxy S24 series. These improvements would meet user expectations and keep Samsung competitive in the smartphone market. Number 2. Higher refresh rate display. Samsung has room for improvement in its display refresh rates. While the Galaxy S23 series already features 120Hz display, which provides smooth and responsive visuals, some competitors offer even higher refresh rates, like the 165Hz display on the Asus ROG 7 or the Motorola Razr 40 Ultra. To enhance the user experience, Samsung should contemplate elevating the refresh rate to 165Hz or at least 144Hz in one of its Galaxy S24 models, providing an even smoother and more immersive display. Number 3. Better cameras. Each new smartphone release typically brings camera improvements, though not always in every aspect. Take the Galaxy S23 Ultra, for example. It boasts an impressive telephoto camera, but Samsung didn't significantly enhance it compared to the previous version, despite other changes. Looking ahead, there's a strong hope for Samsung to elevate its camera performance, especially in response to the new and improved zoom camera on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Rumors also hint at an exciting development for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, possibly featuring a single lens capable of zooming from 3 times closer to 10 times closer, which would replace the need for 2 separate lenses, as seen in the Galaxy S23 Ultra. This change could open up possibilities for new camera features and applications. Additionally, it would be highly beneficial if the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus models could offer more than just a 3x zoom. While Samsung regularly highlights the camera excellence of their Ultra models, it's equally vital for the Standard and Plus models to see significant improvements in this department, ensuring a comprehensive and competitive camera experience throughout the entire lineup. In addition to 3 aspects, we're looking forward to Samsung making several other enhancements in the Galaxy S24 series. These could include a sturdier design, a more budget-friendly price point, a broader selection of color choices, and, of course, additional software features and customization options. In summary, I am eager to see what Samsung has planned for the Galaxy S24 series. The company has a high standard to maintain, but I believe they will introduce a lineup of smartphones that truly live up to the Galaxy S name. What are your thoughts and what improvements do you want in Galaxy S24 Ultra? Do let us know in the comments section below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.